case, I think I'll bring it to a close. Just want to thank all of our speakers today for taking the time to come and inform us about the work that they're doing and the latest developments in urban scale evacuation. I'd like to thank all the attendees for coming along and listening and participating and asking questions. I think the message of today is we've actually accomplished a heck of a lot in terms of what we're capable of doing now with urban scale evacuation, but there's still a lot more to learn. And I go back to what I said earlier on today. Probably one of the biggest factors is the lack of understanding of the psychology, the behaviour of people, how they respond on these urban scale emergency situations. That's the real weakness that we have. Lots of people are suggesting models, coming up with ideas of what people do and the process they go through, but it's not really based on sound data. And the other thing that's really important, I think, that we have to keep in mind is that is there actually one universal behavioural model, or are factors like culture actually important in how people respond to emergency situations? I think it is, and certainly a lot of the research we've done in Greenwich suggests that it is, and so we need to take that into account when we're starting to, those of us who are trying to develop these universal behaviour models, how applicable is that to other areas and regions? So we need to keep all that in mind. I think behaviour is the big area, behavioural research is the big area that we still need to do a lot of work in to really utilise these models reliably in the future. So that's all I have to say. Can I just thank everyone again for coming along, and I wish everyone a safe journey home. Thank you. Don't forget you can download the proceedings. All the proceedings are on the web page. So if you go to the FSEC web page for this project, you can download the full proceedings, all the slides from today. Thank you.